It's a gloomy day. Gloomy day today. Let's go. Let's take the downtown line. So, ito, cash accepted. Ito yung procedure. Cash tap up, place card on the reader, press cash, insert note into note acceptors, press confirm. So, meron pa tayong $3. Magkano? Cash. Oo, $10.
Wala na akong $10.
Ayan. Confirm.
I-try ko yung Gcash mo siya.
Let's see.
Ay, saan ba tayo?
Diyan, downtown line. Since papunta tayo ng Shriner.
Going to where? Kita niya yung sarili niya sa paligid. Wow, Jenny!
Marami na ka na.
Next station, Telok Ayer. Chinatown Interchange. 牛车水 Please mind the gap. 请小心空隙. Berhati-hati di ruang platform. தயவு செய்து தளநிலை இடைவெளியை கவனத்தில் கொள்ளுங்கள்.
So, let's take the exit C. Dito na tayo. Then mag-lift na tayo.
Sa labas na kasi yung
Safety.
Coffee and toast and
Same na lang ba tayo? Look at.
yung kaya natin. Tsaka kaya lang.
Yun na. Hintayin mo sa birthday kasi. Kasi,
So, we have our, ano to? Iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Tapos ito,
Cryo lava.
Cryo Lava. Milo lang to eh.
Ano?
Oh, but don't drop it.
Hey.
Bakit kita? Yun na daw pala.
Whatever.
So, kaya toast.
You sit down.
With egg. So, tapos na kami kumain. Let's go for the money changer. Kasi wala na kaming cash. Let's check here. Kasi walang ano yung ano eh. Wow, yummy.
May utang pa ako sa iyo ng 10. Credit card. Saka 13 ka dito. 39.
So we bought red bean pancake and brown sugar. Sarap! Sarap siya.
Sinabi ang busog free.
Yummy?
Ako yung bawal kumain.
Naubos na agad.
Ako kumain ng
So let's go for the northeast lane going to Harbor Front.
Isang fan.
Ito.
Ha?
Yung open yung
So hindi na sila nakatiis. Bumili na sila ng kamote ice cream.
Sarap!
Yummy!
Tignan mo. Nasa kamote.
Yummy, baby.
Hamarin din.
Let's go to Harbor Front Center. Sasakay tayo ng cable car. So, nasa Vivo City kami ngayon. Punta tayo ng Tower 2. Let's go! Cable car tayo. So, dyan tayo sasakay. Cable car.
Tama naman, packet tayo.
Oo.
Packet yun tayo.
Let's go! Cable car, Harbor Front, Tower 1 and 2.
Sige, magbabayad ka lang naman ng mas mahal.
Cable car. So we need to ikot-ikot lang. So we're now here at Bayfront. Ay, hindi pala. Harbor Front, Tower 2. For the cable car. Say hi. Lungkot. Thank you. Yay! 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 So hot.
Need to pee.
Yay!
Look at that! Wow! Amazing! Hindi makita nito. Yeah! Wow!
Welcome aboard the Mount Faber Cable Car. Now heading towards Mount Faber Station.
Wait lang sa
Wow! Right. Kaya pala ang minute, baby.
Sore heart. It's sore heart her. It's sore heart.
Baby, don't make...
So kung makikita nyo yung parang ano dyan, submarine. Ayun o. Yan yung bago nilang ano,
Baby, oh, what's that? So many trees.
cable
Trees.
car.
Trees.
Ano yan? Glass.
Mountain.
Glass yung floor.
Kaya parang ano siya, air condition.
Parang air condition pa. Parang crystal cabin. So yan yung bababaan namin, Mount Faber yan. Nandyan din yung Arbora Restaurant. So, ito yung makikita dyan. Wow, amazing! So mamaya, punta kami sa Sentosa. Sakay ulit kami ng cable car. Ito yung mga mayayaman, no, Trek, oh. Nasa gubat yung mga bahay. Actually, mansion nga yung mga bahay nila eh.
Pag mayaman talaga, mayaman na mayaman. Wow, wow. What's that? A ship.
So, here's the view.
Welcome aboard the Mount Faber Cable Car. We are now en route to Sentosa Station.
Pap, para pap, pap.
You have a you will be able to enjoy the
Crocodile.
Oo.
Ay, parang hindi gumagana. Yeah. Yata gumagana ito eh. Nakapatay na.
Ito ang may ilaw, oh. Dito na lang, oh.
Bebe.
May mga choices, oh.
This one?
Yung
The
pusa.
cat? Okay.
This is $2.
Like that, like that.
Wala, hindi nagana to. Ay! Dalawa.
One more. Apa.
Oh, go. Sige pa. Pagkadating doon sa kabila. Yan, isa pa.
Ay, ngayon pa lang umano eh.
Ngayon pa lang? Oh, baby, matamaan ka dyan. Isang ikot ata yan, boy.
May ikot ba? Yun na, umano na.
Yun na, baby, kuhanin mo na.
Bebe. You get that one?
You get.
Yeah.
So, let me see. Let me see. Wow. So nice. Ay, no.
You give it to mommy.
You give it to mom. So, this is the Sky Helix. So we're gonna ride again a cable car going to Siloso Beach. Doon kami magla-lunch. So we're now on our way to Siloso Beach for our lunch running. Siloso Point. Isa lang, diba? After doon magme-Merlion na tayo. After Merlion, diretso tayo Universal Studio for photo op. So that's the Siloso Beach.
Tapos wala palang labasan.
Parang makapunta na rin tayo sa Siloso.
Yun na show. Yun. Na yung beach.
So upon alighting at Siloso Beach. Dito sa baba, merong 7-Eleven. Dito yung kanilang ticketing booth. Siloso Point Station. Tapos may Co plus Not plus Inc. So here's the Siloso Beach. So dito exit lang. So kailangan lumipat sa kabila. Baba na siya kasi malawak dito eh.
Gusto niya yung beach.
Oo.
Kaya pumunta ka sa...
So welcome to Siloso Beach. May mga bike oh. Parkingan ng bike. Picture ako kayo dun oh, sa may letter. So Siloso. So makulimlim na. Sobrang dilim na pala. Hindi na kulimlim to.
Grabe yung ibon no, talaga. Kanina pa naglalakad. Pag nakakapagod yung ipan, naglalakad sila.
10 to 15.
So let's check this Trapizza. Pero ito talaga na search ni Richard. Dito talaga pang 29 plus or 382.
No. Siguro yung card to na something.
Boy, Shangri-La Circle yan oh. $12 PM to 9 PM. Oops! Oh. Look where you're going.
Pizza.
Lahat ng may harang.
So para sa mga magsi-zipline siguro yan. Doon oh. Ayun. Ay tayo doon. Sa parang tram. Pa yan, bus. Open bus. What's that?
Visit Sapphire Pavilion. Arrive here for the Mega Adventure Park ticketing counter at Sky Park Sentosa by AG Happy.
So nandiyan na yung Sensory Park, tapos yung iFly, tapos nandito na rin yung Wings of Time. Dito kami bumaba sa Siloso Beach. Tapos meron dito mga kainan, yan, Coffee Bean Tea Leaf. Tapos may grocery stores, yung Cheers. Tapos nandiyan yung food court. Tapos sa likod niya yung All Day. Then Mary Brown Toast and Curry. Tapos Shake Shack.
Bigyan natin yung mga
Tara, let's check the menu.
menus.
Actually meron pa rin doon mga burgers. Yung Wings of Time na in-avail namin, may kasama siyang snack. So hindi lang namin sure kung anong snack yung kasama. Let's check.
Aba ka dyan yung snack.
Yeah, I think so.
Roasted dog.
Pwede, 980 lang oh.
Looks good.
Pwede na rin. Ito yung gusto ko kainin. Ah, hindi pala yan.
Tingnan pa ba natin yung iba?
Indian chicken biryani. Singapore laksa oh. Pero check natin yung So, let's check the Mary Brown. Burger siya. Burger fries.
Pwede
Ah, meron din silang kanin. Oo.
Like
So we have here the toast and curry. Yeah.
Parang yung pinangyayon natin kanina.
Good days, food court. Let's go. Oh, you press that, baby. Press. Press it. Yay, air condition. Perfect. Malamig. Salad and drinks. So ito yung chicken biryani, nasi lemak, saka ano yung sayo?
For fun.
Beef for fun na may ano ba yan? May ay noodles.
Yan yung sauce niya kasi hindi pa nahalo.
Okay, ang daming nangyayari sa free ice cream. Parang gusto ko yung Milo. Got our Milo ice cream. Rain, what do you like? What?
You don't need both.
We cannot we cannot bring that home. So Pao, what did that's dried mangoes 70 for 6.87. Oh. May Starbucks dun, no? There's a Starbucks. 7-Eleven. So, kaya tayo dito sa Imbia Lookout for the cable car going to Merlion here in Sentosa. Dito tayo. Ay, dyan tayo. Ayun o. Ay, saan ba? Hindi, dyan tayo pupunta. Go.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ha? Thank you.
So, this is our... Pang-ilan na ba natin ito sa cable car? Pangatlo?
Apat.
Pang-apat na?
Pangatlo. Yung isa umikot lang.
1, 2, 1, 2. Pangatlo pa lang.
Yung mga ano nasa taas ng dito.
Yung Sky Helix. So.
Pick up.
Magkasawa pala yung cable car dito.
Di maganda ka na ano. Plastic.
Uy, si Pia Wurtzbach yun na. Madam to sa bata to. Be Crowned by Pia. Si Pia Wurtzbach.
Where's the lion?
Dami na pupuntang Pinoy dito. Isa sa ano nila siguro yun.
So, from cable car sa Merlion Station, punta lang kayo dito kasi dito na yung daanan papuntang USS. As far as I remember. As far as I can remember. So, ayun po, nakatulog po ang bata. Nakasimangot pa, oh.
Dami-dami daw ginagawa. Kagad na siya.
So, baba tayo dito. Pagbaba natin, USS na yan. Let's G. Ayan ang research road na yan. Bye. So, we're still going down to see the Universal Globe. Universal Studio Globe. Chica. Osia. Yan na yung ating globo. Singapore's largest food truck and container park. So yun na yung globo ng Universal Studios Singapore. Harry Potter Vision of Magic. Fourth quarter 2025.
Ay, lipat na lang.
Magsasara na siya. Main. Pick a pick with the cupcakes. Great.
Outfit, ang baby, change outfit. Ang asim kasi. Ayoko na niya ng asim. Ang nanay, change outfit. Let's go back to the Mist Sentosa Sensory Park. So yung show pala ng Wings of Time 7:40 pa. So magsa-Sentosa Sensory Park muna tayo. Sentosa Sensory Escape. Escape pala, hindi pala park. Sensory Escape. Sentosa Sensory Escape. So ano ba yun? Welcome to a world of wonder and discovery, where your senses take center stage. Inspired by the world of undulating. Diyos ko, mali-mali naman yung sinasabi ko. So, ito pala yung una. Ito yan, yung may mga miss. Tapos gaganong ka dyan hanggang makapunta ka dun sa dulo. Pagkarating mo sa dulo, may pa-fireworks. Actually, may Starbucks din dito. Ayun, oh.
Masaya. Rain, paano yung masaya?
Not apple, that's orange.
So, pag nandito kayo, akit kayo dito sa may ano. Yan, oh. Yung pataas kasi mas mahangin dito kaysa dun sa baba.
Paano yung hangin?
Ang hangin-hangin. Let's go.
Try mo kayang pindutin. Yung sa clue.
Hindi na pa nahawa.
Scented Spear.
Sit down siya. Ay, may check ko, ano? Yung kilok mismo.
Tara! Ano kaya yun? So yung snack na sinama namin dun sa aming ticket, dito kinukuha sa Fun shop ata to. Souvenir shop. Pero dapat snack yun eh. Hindi ko alam po anong snack ibibigay nila. So here we are at Palawan Green. So ganyan lang siya. Oho na oho ang baby. So 7 PM pa yung entrance. Whew. Still need to wait for 40 minutes and then additional 40 minutes for the show to start, because the show will start at 7:40. So matagal-tagal na waiting time ito. So we're just walking.
Excited yung baby, oh. Where's the beach? There.
That's a white sand. White sand lang, walang beach. Sand lang. Sand lang siya, wala siyang beach.
Walang dagat. There. Yes. Yes, I know you're excited. You want some beach?
Yes. Yeah. Let's go to them. Wow. Ay, malaki pala siya. Oo.
Silence! Silence! Now, let's start from the beginning of the song. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
When you're traveling far from home, loving. When you're traveling,
Keep on hoping, we just have to
keep on loving.
Hindi tayo.
Bawal mag-flash.
I need a moment to gather my thoughts.
What? Who are you?
Well, I am Shabazz from the glorious aquatic species. That was a long nap. What century are we?
Huh? The 21st century.
But I've slept through thousands and thousands of years then. I have to go.
Go where?
Back to the beginning of time, where I belong.
So, Shabazz, how exactly can you travel through time?
Well, thanks to my wings of time, of course.
Oh, of course.
Look at that. We're reaching Britain in the 19th century. Uh-oh, it's going to get noisy.
Go.
So after ng Wings of Time, syempre dito na ang puntahan talaga sa Sensoryscape. So for the pictorial na lang. Ito na siya. Bibidyoan ko lang siya.
Tayo, ano naman tayo?
There's a lot of fish. Wow!
Go.
Hey!
Like that.
Go!
Other one.
Wala na.
Following you.
Totoo yan. Doon tayo sa kabila. Rain. Let's go to the other side. Oh, careful. Go, go, go. Hey. Go walk. Here. Ah. Oo. So, buhay na po ang Bugis. Magsa 7-Eleven muna kami kasi wala na kaming water. So, let's look for 7-Eleven. We have different Magnum. Pink lemonade. Double sunflower.